The frame mask is one way to create masks within Vizrt. And to demonstrate how this one works, we're going to go into our server and use it on an image. So we just have a cityscape here. I'm just going to drag a standalone image into my scene tree. We'll go ahead and scale this up a bit in our scene editor window. We'll be able to see this better. We'll go back into our built-ins. Within our shader tab and the effect folder, we have this frame mask. And as I said, it's one way that we can use it to mask out something within our scene. To use it, we just drag it onto the container that we want to mask out, and we can click on the frame mask icon to go into its editor here. I'm going to turn the bounding box off for a second. And now within the frame mask, we have this left edge. So as you can see, when I increase the left edge here, it's cutting off the left edge. We also have a left edge gradient. So I can increase the hardness with the left gradient here, or decrease the hardness of the left edge with this gradient setting. So we have this for each side of our scene basically, or our image. So now we can come over to the right edge and adjust our right edge and or the right gradient as well. We have a top edge and a top gradient. We have a bottom edge and a bottom gradient as well. So as you can see, this frame mask creates a mask. However, the only thing you're making here is really a square mask. There's no other options. So you can also lock the aspect ratio. With the aspect ratio, we have it set to off at the moment, but you can set a custom aspect ratio, or you can use it by 16:9 and or a 4:3 aspect ratio. And again, when you do that, it automatically crops it to those dimensions, but you can come over and further adjust your edge of each mask. So that's the frame mask, and one way to mask within Vizrt.